Hey guys, it's Linda from Linda Has a Travel Bug, and today I'm here in Phuket, Thailand, at an elephant sanctuary type place. It's called Bukit, Bukit. Anyway, I'm about to feed some elephant some rice balls. I'm going to make some rice balls, so come with me. Come on, let's do it. Very hot. I wonder why you have to wear gloves. I guess it's kind of bushy, huh?
You two adult, right?
Yes.
Okay. พี่คะของผู้ใหญ่ทางนี้ได้ไหม
Sure.
Oh, for you family, huh?
Yes, thank you.
Excuse me. First you peel the banana and banana peel you throw away.
Okay.
And put in the bowl.
Okay.
Mash the banana
Uh-huh.
and this you put in the bowl and mix together.
So you mash the banana,
Yes.
like
Yes.
mush
Put
it,
in this
and
first.
then okay,
Yes,
and then
yes,
mash
this.
it.
Oh, already. It's finished already. You can
Do
peel-
more?
Peel all.
All of them. Okay, okay. They're hungry, aren't they?
Don't
Okay,
worry, don't worry.
okay. How fun. Okay, so I got to peel all these bananas, and then I got to mash them in the rice. It's a special meal. And then I'm gonna put some watermelon in there. It's gonna be awesome. They're gonna love it. Almost got it. Okay, now.
And put a bowl in this.
Ah, okay.
Put watermelon in a bowl. Okay, mash together. Yes.
Yes, they're gonna love it. I'm gonna get into it. They are gonna love this rice ball. They're gonna love mine better than all of theirs. Okay, so I start making the
Okay.
balls.
Yes, mix bowl.
Is that
big
good?
bowl.
Okay,
It's like she can eat.
okay.
Can eat
She can eat it. Yeah,
Yeah.
we've seen it before.
because she a big mouth.
Yeah. Aw. Okay.
I want more big bowl, more big bowl.
Bigger bowl?
Yeah, yes, bigger.
Okay. Like this big?
Yes.
Okay.
Is
That isn't big enough. Okay. That's like more of a matzo ball or something. Okay. This is gonna be awesome. All right. It's a really big ball. It's like I got these little hands, you know. This is so cool. All right, and maybe 2 more balls? All right, these elephants are just gonna go gaga over this. I'm telling you, either that or they're gonna be like, ew, what did you do? You got all bananas in one rice ball. All right, I might be able to make 5. Is that good enough or does it? He's gonna show me how it's done. Did I mess it up? I'm not a cook.
not even here, not so much here.
Oh. Okay. Maybe we could just put it in another one, like.
One more.
Okay. This is so cool. Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
It's kind of ugly.
Okay. Oh, I know I'm terrible. Thank you.
Please help.
Okay. All right. Come on, let's go. Let's do it. Hello, doggo. Okay.
Này. This side. Ngon này. This side. Yeah, in the mouth.
Ah. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Yeah, here.
Right here.
Slowly. Inside. Yeah. Slowly.
Slowly. Okay. Very slow.
Yeah. Inside. Yeah.
Oh wow. I felt his tongue.
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Look at that big ball. You gotta swallow it first.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, this is gonna be the best one, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Probably want these gloves.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kop kun kop. It was really weird. It was cool, but like, I mean, I felt his tongue and it was like so soft, but it was a little weird. It was like alienistic. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, we go. Okay, we got to go this way. It's like a well-oiled machine out here. These guys are awesome. Wow. Okay, so that was pretty much it. I think we're done. But thank you for watching me feed and make the rice balls for the animals. So yeah, signing off. Talk to you next time. Please like and subscribe. All right, bye.